Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is functional programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is functional programming? Functional programming is a programming paradigm that treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions and avoids changing state and mutable data. In functional programming, programs are composed of functions that take input data and produce output data with no internal state changes or side effects. This is in contrast to imperative programming, where programs are composed of statements that change the program state. Key principles and concepts of functional programming include: number one, pure functions. A pure function is a function that, given the same input, always produces the same output and has no side effects. It doesn't rely on external state or modify any variables outside its scope. Number two, immutability. In functional programming, data is typically treated as immutable. Once a data structure is created, it cannot be changed. Instead, new data structures are created with the desired changes, which promotes safer and more predictable code. Number three, first class and high order functions. In functional languages, functions are first class citizens, meaning they can be treated like any other data type. You can pass functions as arguments to other functions, high order functions, return functions from functions, and store functions in data structures. Number four, recursion. Functional programming often relies on recursion instead of iterative loops to perform repetitive tasks. Recursive functions scan themselves with modified arguments until a base case is reached. Number five, referential transparency. This property means that you can replace a function call with its result without changing the program's behavior. It's a consequence of pure functions and immutability. Number six, function composition. Functional programming encourages composition smaller functions to build more complex ones. You can combine functions to create new functions by chaining them together. Number seven, avoidance of mutable state. Functional programming discourages the use of mutable variables in state changes. This reduces the risk of bugs related to shared state and concurrent access. Number 8, declarative style. Functional programming often promotes a more declarative style of programming, where you can describe what you want to achieve rather than explicitly detailing how to achieve it. This can make code more concise and easier to reason about. For conclusion, functional programming languages like Haskell, Lisp, and Erlang are designed specifically to support these principles. However, many other programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, and Ruby, also incorporate functional programming features to varying degrees, allowing developers to apply functional programming concepts alongside other paradigms. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is functional programming is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.